What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. I got a few packages that need to be dropped off to the post office. We sold a copy of MLB 2K12 for the Wii on Amazon. That was a merchant fulfilled for some reason. I don't know why I didn't send it into FBA, but that's okay. And also I sold a pair of Under Armour shorts, sold in one day after I listed them for 25 bucks. Not too bad. And then a brand cool KUHL short sleeve button up I sold for $20. The reason why I sold it so low, it had stains on the back of the right sleeve and on the back of the shoulder. Didn't notice them for some reason when I was buying it, but I'm kind of glad I did. I spent $4 on it, flipped it for 20 in one day. Maybe I could have priced it higher, but with the stains, I'm happy with what I got. I'm with Kristen right here. There we go. And we're gonna go to the post office. I need to get gas, and then we're hitting up a few thrift stores today. So let's go. All right, pulling into the mobile right here, $2.64. It's not the cheapest in town, but it's the most convenient. So we're gonna fill up because we got a lot of driving to do today. It's already almost 2 o'clock, so let's get this done. All right, so I looked up random thrift stores near me, and we're on this road over here, and there's a little University of Connecticut, so UConn Health Center Auxiliary Thrift Shop. It closes in an hour. It's a little one. I see him. I know. We're good. We're good. Okay. I kind of like little thrift stores. Do you like little thrift stores?
Sure.
She doesn't know. And then there's Petals and Paws, where you buy a flower and you buy a dog. And that's perfect. Okay, so I'm not gonna film right as I walk in, but I'll try and get some footage inside. Very, very small in here, except that is a work of art. Come on. It's almost too small in here. It's mostly just clothing. That's really cool, actually. Old school Columbia. But we'll take a quick look around. All right, so we just left that thrift store back there. There's nothing really in it, right?
You're right.
It was empty.
Yeah.
It's completely empty. There was a couple good brands of shirts, but over here's to the car. I don't know.
Okay.
Not paying attention. All right, here we are at Silas Dean Pawn Shop, and still with Kristen, of course. She didn't leave. I didn't leave her anywhere, but
You didn't leave me on the side of the road yet.
not yet. Soon though.
Soon.
We're gonna see what they have in there. I look for video games and electronics in these kind of places. It's pretty much the easiest thing to find. So let's see what we find. I might get some indoor footage depending on how it looks in there. Let's see. All right, it's a bunch of video games. No prices. Gonna have to find out. So yeah, we're gonna look through. There is some new sealed stuff here, random stuff. So we'll just scan some stuff and see how it works out. All right, guys, so we just left that pawn shop, and I did get a baggie full of games. I always look at the games behind the counter also, because a lot of people don't look at those. They just come in, and I found a whole box of PSP games, Game Boy games, and things like that. Show you guys exactly what we got. Well, I'll show you these games first. We got Green Lantern for the PS3. It's worth about $15-ish on Amazon. Lego Movie, worth about $12-ish. Now, I paid $3 per game that you see. WWE All-Stars, it's about 12 bucks. Guitar Hero Smash Hits, this is almost a $20 game on the Wii, so pretty awesome there. What else do we have right here? We got NFL Street 3. I don't remember what this is worth, but I've sold it recently. It's over $10, I know that. I'll only make probably a couple bucks on it. And then we got a bunch of little handheld games down in here, if I could pull them out. Now, I didn't look any of these ones up. I just kind of guessed. So we'll see if any of these are winners. We got Street Fighter Alpha 3 Max. I believe this is actually worth over 15 bucks. Not 100% sure. Tetris DS. We got WarioWare Touched, which is like a Mario's brother or something like that. I don't know. Or his cousin. We have Metroid Prime Hunters. And then this is the interesting one, guys. Metroid Prime Hunters First Hunt. And it has an RP right there, which means rating pending, which means that the game shouldn't be released like this. So I don't know if this is an unreleased game. I wanted to see if it was real or not. It says Nintendo right there, and it says Nintendo right there, if it'll focus, on the chip on the back. There you go, now you can see it. So pretty interesting. I wonder if it's worth something more. I'm gonna take a look into that and and I think I already showed you guys that one. Yeah, so that's everything I got in there. I spent 30 bucks total. He didn't charge me tax, even though I used my card, which never happens. So pretty stoked about that. So actually I paid a little under 3 bucks a piece, so pretty cool. All right, let's go. All right, so here we are at the next pawn shop. It's right back there. It's called, what are you doing? It's called B&T Trading, and never been here before, but they buy, sell, and trade. So we're going in.
Let's go.
Let's go. So it's a much smaller pawn shop. Also, guys, I looked up that game that I thought might be rare. It's not rare at all, and I'll only make $1 on it, sadly.
How weird that Cadillac is.
That is a weird looking Cadillac, dude. That is a really weird Cadillac. I don't like the dual tone. Ooh, TVs, video games. Yay. Let's find some. Guys, these are worth thousands of dollars.
We got some vintage 2001 NSYNC dolls.
From Best Buy, exclusively.
Hell yeah.
So cool. Everything's priced way overpriced
Was
here.
that before Lance was out of the closet?
I probably.
I think it is.
I have no idea.
That's a treasure.
It is a treasure. Everything's priced really high here, guys. 35 bucks for that holiday Barbie. Every single video game was marked above Amazon, so not even gonna bother. But we're just looking around. You never know. You might find 1 or 2 things. How much is this jacket? 40 bucks for a Dub. Not even popular brand. But we'll keep looking. All right, that other pawn shop was priced like at Amazon. It was really stupid, but this one, who knows? Looks pretty cool. Where's their big pawn sign? Silk City Exchange. Look at that big, I think it's on the roof over there. They have a really cool sign, but it's really small. Hopefully they have cool. All right, really small shop, but we did just leave. I did get a bag full of goodies. I'll show you guys. Now guys, some sports games are worth money, especially these ones right here, and he only wanted 50 cents for all the sports games in there. This Tiger Woods Historic Edition Masters, never seen it before, so I don't know what it's going for, but if I had to guess, I'd say over $15. This NCAA Basketball 10, last time I sold this, I sold it for $30, and I spent 50 cents. Now, this game I didn't look up, I didn't look anything up. This was Great Battles Medieval. It was $5, no idea what it's worth, never seen it before, so that's why I bought it. And the last game I bought was Crash Bandicoot Insane Trilogy for $25. Now, that's not a great resale price. I bought it because I've been wanting this game and it is impossible to find for under $30. So I figured I'll buy it for $25, I'll beat it, and then I will throw it back on Amazon and probably get all of my money back, maybe make $1 or so. So, hey, you know what? Buy something, beat it, sell it. I'm totally cool with that. And it shouldn't take too long to beat. Actually, I have no idea. But yeah, that's what I got in there. Spent $32 after tax. Not too bad. We are now going to Pancheros. Yeah. All right, we're going into Pancheros, getting our Mexican food on, right? Getting burritos. Ooh, free with any purchase. Wait, what do we get? What day is it today?
It's Thursday. Chips and queso.
All right, here we are. They gave us free chips and queso because today's Thursday. Pretty cool. Got 2 burritos, chicken burritos. These are gonna be delicious. I cannot wait. Oh, there we go. We got chicken, pico, brown rice, black beans, crushed jalapenos right there. It's really good. Kristen's putting this volcano flavor sauce. What does it say? Volcano?
Filet volcano.
Let's see the front. Filet volcano.
So good.
Pretty awesome. Oh, yours looks better than mine. All right, homies and homettes, we are here at Savers. Here is little Christopher, and we are going in here, and we're gonna get some good stuff. Man, guys, that burrito did something to my body. I am hyper active like a child.
Please help me.
What?
Please help me. Someone please help me.
She's being kept without her will or whatever.
My will.
Yes, she's here against her will. Her good will. Oh, cool. Thanks, man. Yeah. All right, basket time. Oh, this basket's nice, so you can just carry it. All right, let's look. All right, we're here at Steve Rakin's territory, actually. He lives pretty close to here, I think. But it's pretty interesting here. We're gonna go check out the electronics down here. I found one little game. I think it's worth money. Wipeout 3 used to be worth money. Might not anymore, who knows? Some games I pick up because I remember selling them way back in the day. So we'll take a look at this stuff.
Okay guys, we found an iGallop.
Okay, so
Jesse's gonna test it out.
basically what you want to do is turn it on. Oh, All right, so we are in trot mode right now. Hello.
Hi, what the heck is
It's a horse riding simulator.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I didn't know they existed.
And we're in race mode. You go real fast. And then
Where's the stirrups?
I don't know. Not really sure how. I'm just pressing the buttons and it's just doing its thing. It's pretty fun though.
Is it?
Yeah, you want to come try it?
Nope.
Why not? You'll try it? Yeah. It's really fun.
I like riding horses.
Oh, well, if you like riding horses, then this, you'll feel right at home. All right, we're still looking around. I'm probably gonna get this. I have to test it. Here's a cool Coca-Cola Final Four. We got a reseller right there scanning books. Hopefully he watches the videos. Probably not though. Yeah, so that was really fun. That iGallop thing is fun, man.